name is AARNA GUPTA. I am 6 years old. I am studies in class 1st in Karma School, Chandigarh. I am going to attempt new world record identified aeroplane's tails. 1 minute. Thank you my parents, teachers, my school and International Book of Record for my wonderful achievement. Thank you all. Thai visit China, Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Qatar, Dishes, France, Australia, Japan, Britain, Japan, Texas, Canada, Switzerland, America, Vancouver, Emirates, Ireland, Netherlands, Australia, Queensland, California, Ontario, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Emirates, United Arab, Alaska, England, Kenya, Scotland, Cathay, Gulbert, Mata, Katka, Vinyl, Ethiopian, Hanan, Manin, and Mescoba, West Station, Indian, Finno, Flight by Luxor, Iberia, Jack Grace, Vaja, Thompson, African, Australian, Alexander, Airlines, Jilly, Silky River, Ranil, Latam, Britannia, Cyprus, Jack Grace, Tango, Mexican, Air, Copper Island, P Island, Star Island, Lot Polish Bank Island, Duck Caves, Lion, Frontier Island, Ural Island, Flying Island, Air Island, S7 Island, Sky Island, Jet Star, Young Island, Gold Island, Tap Island, Pink Island.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646 803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, 1 in a million.